Aham Brahmasmi, Aham Brahmasmi, Aham Brahmasmi.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.
God is love.
Hi, hello everyone, and welcome to Atlabs.
Hello, hi everyone, and welcome to Atlabs. I am Mohini, and today this tutorial is about all the lip sync models that are available on the platform. So just imagine bringing all those voices from driver's cultures and beliefs, those change of movie dialogues, everything with AI.
Is it just me, or is it getting crazier out there?
And today we'll explore how advanced lip sync models can transform static images and animations into dynamic visuals. So let's get started. Alright, so I have quickly generated some scenes already in multiple visual styles, and we'll one by one check all the models and just see what model is suitable for which visual style.
Choose a model to bring your visuals to life.
So let's just start with the first one, and I have generated the basic prompt for this one and used the cyberpunk anime visual style. Now here on the left you'll see this icon. You have to click on that one, and you'll see that there are two options available. One is AI lip sync, the other one is actor mode. We'll come to the actor mode in the later part, and these are the models that are available. Since this is just an image, so you have these three options available right now. These three options, basically Hedra, Omnihuman, and Kling AI avatar, directly adds motion and lip sync to your image. And it's super so easy and fast. In case you don't have a motion, you can just choose these three options to directly convert your image into a motion with lip sync video. Right now we don't have a voiceover, so you'll see that this option is not available. You see the no audio attached. So I'll just quickly attach an audio. Alright, so I have attached an audio here. I generated it and just chose some of the voices. So for this one, I'll just choose Kling AI avatar. In case if you want to write a prompt, you can write that and just click on apply. Alright, so this is a realistic image that I have generated, and again we'll go to the lip sync option, and I think I'll start with the image to lip sync models first. So let's select Hedra for this one and click on apply. Alright, so this is our second image. I have generated this one in Indian comics visual style, and again we'll go to this lip sync option. We have already done one Hedra model, so let's click Omnihuman for this one. Omnihuman is good for animations or Indian comic visual styles, and let's just click on apply.
Choose a model to bring your visuals to life.
Hello, welcome to my story. Not really mine, but hers.
Today, we will learn something amazing! Oh, wait!
Today, we will learn something amazing! Yeah, this is my voice!
And this is our next visual, which I have generated in 3D cartoon style, and we'll go to the lip sync model and just click Kling AI avatar. Kling AI avatar works good for kids story or storyboard styles, and just click on apply, and you'll see that this option is not available right now because it says there's no audio attached. So we will quickly attach one audio here. All right, and now you'll see that the apply option is available. Just click on apply. Let's try writing a prompt here. The girl is smiling and blinking, and click on apply. So our next image is this one in realistic, but I have added some prompt of 3D animated character. So we'll just try another model here. We have covered all the image models. Now let's begin with motion model. So we'll quickly generate one motion for this one. Let's pick a fast rendering option and click on magic prompt, step 2, and then we'll just click on the generate video option, and then apply lip sync, and it's just 2 clicks, and once this is generated we'll apply the lip sync for this one. So our motion is ready for this one. Now let's apply the first motion to lip sync model, and let's click on sync 1, and we'll use sync for this realistic motion, and click on apply. Similarly, I have generated motion for both of these. Once they are done, we'll apply the rest of the 2 lip sync models for this one. Alright, so similarly, the motion for all of the other images are being generated. We have applied lip sync for this one. Now this is the next image. I've generated this image in Indian comic visual style. We already have the motion for this one, you can see. Now let's apply lip sync. Let's choose Kling lip sync for this one. It is suitable for animation, Indian comics, and just click on apply. So similarly, I have generated a motion for this one, and this is in storyboard visual style. Let's apply the final motion to lip sync model, which is latent sync, and we do not have an audio here, so we'll just switch it off and add one audio. All right, and let's quickly click on apply. And this is being processed, you can see here, and most of our lip syncs have been applied. So let's have a look once they are all done.
Let's go on an adventure together.
Sing 2.0 makes every word come alive.
ऐसा तो आदमी जिंदगी में 2 ही टाइम भागता है, ओलंपिक की रेस हो या पुलिस का केस हो, तुम किस में भागते हो भाई?
I am big. It's the picture that got small.
Each model has its own strength depending on your project and the visual style, whether it's animation, it's Indian comic, it's realistic, storyboard, cyberpunk. Just choose the one that best fits your needs, and you'll see that a lot of magic happens around the visuals and the lip sync using image and motion models. I hope this was a helpful video for you, and if you end up making any of the videos, don't forget to mention Atlabs and collaborate on your stories. We would love to see your outputs, and you can just easily select any of the model that you want to test and try on your visual styles just on a single drop down, all together available on Atlabs. Thank you for watching and take care.